Hello children. So like in the last video we have studied about the concept of economics, economy and the economic problems. So yes, like today we are going to study about the difference between the microeconomics and the macroeconomics. As in the last video I have mentioned, like इकोनॉमिक्स हैज़ टू ब्रांचेस, वन इज़ माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स एंड अदर इज़ मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. आम भाषा में मैंने आपको बताया था कि इकोनॉमिक्स के दो बच्चे हैं, पहला छोटा दूसरा बड़ा. पहले बच्चे को इकोनॉमिक्स ने बोल रखा है कि छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करेगा, बड़े बच्चे को बोल रखा है कि बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करेगा. इट मीन्स व्हाट माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स डज, माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स बेसिकली स्टडीज और इट हेल्प्स और इट इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट मैटर विच हेल्प्स टू स्टडी द इकोनॉमिक problem at an individual level, whereas microeconomics helps to study the economic problem at a country as a whole level. So what is the major difference between these two, microeconomics and the macroeconomics? Microeconomics क्या करता है? Microeconomics basically जितनी भी economic problems हैं उनको country level पे ना solve करके individual level पे, individual units के level पे क्या करता है? solve करता है. जबकि macroeconomics क्या करता है? जबकि macroeconomics country as a whole level पे क्या करता है? country as a whole level पे उन problems को solve करने की कोशिश करता है. फिर अगर मैं बात करूँ, लाइक इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द एजेंट्स ऑफ माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, तो हु आर द एजेंट्स ऑफ माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स? लाइक द इंडिविजुअल्स, लाइक द कंज्यूमर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स, मार्केट्स आर द एजेंट्स ऑफ द माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. वेयर इज if I just talk about the agents of the macroeconomics, then it is the government who is the agent of the macroeconomics, right? So microeconomics solves the problem of individual level. So if I'll talk about the scope, so scope is narrow here, whereas in the case of macroeconomics the scope is broad, right? So these are the things, this is the difference. And if I furthermore, if just we'll stretch the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics, we come to know microeconomics studies like the demand concept, the price concept, the supply concept, whereas the macroeconomics, what macroeconomics does, it just helps us to study the aggregate demand concept, aggregate supply concept, the whole aggregate market concept, the whole general price level concept. It is studied by the macroeconomics. What are the issues which are discussed in the microeconomics? The issues like the consumer's behavior, the producer's behavior, the market theory is being studied, the price theory is being studied in the microeconomics. Whereas if I talk about the macroeconomics, the whole national income theory, the income employment theory, the income output theory, the central problems, the central bank theory, the government budget, balance of payment, foreign exchange, such issues are being discussed in the macroeconomics. So this is all we study in macroeconomics, and this is all we study in microeconomics.